Hi everyone, this is the Mishnah that's found on the bottom of Bava Memvav Amud Aleph. Shor shanagach et hapara v'nimtza uvra b'tzada. An ox that gores a cow, and a fetus is found at its side, at the side of the cow. V'ein yadua im ad shelo nagcha yalda im misha nagcha yalda. And it is not known if only up until the cow had been gored it had given birth, or if only after it had been gored it had given birth. Meaning we don't know if the cow miscarried this fetus before or after it had been gored. So what's the deen in this case? Mishalim chatzi nezek lepara, v'revia nezek livlad. You pay half damages for the cow and quarter damages for the fetus. So we're assuming here that this ox that attacked the cow, was a shor tam. It had not yet gored 3 times. Therefore, the typical deen that we give is chatzi nezek, if a shor tam gores and damages another animal. But for the fetus, which we are not sure, we have a safek, a doubt about it, then we say you only have to pay for half of chatzi nezek, which would be a quarter. Half of a half is a quarter. That's case number 1. Now we have case number 2. V'chein, and so too, if we would have the following case, para shenagcha et hashor v'nimtza vlada b'tzada. A cow gores an ox, and we find her fetus at her side after the goring. V'ein yadua im ad shelo nagcha yalda im misha nagcha yalda. And it is not known if only up until it had gored it had miscarried, or if it had miscarried only after it had gored. Mishtalim chatzi nezek min hapara. We calculate the payment from half of the value of the cow, meaning we calculate this chatzi nezek that the cow will have to pay from the cow itself, the maximum that a shor tam, or an animal that has not yet gored 3 times, cannot exceed the value of that animal. So we take, in order to calculate the chatzi nezek that the owner of the cow will have to pay, we take into account the value of the cow. However, revia nezek min havlad, but we only take into account a quarter of the value of the fetus.